Oh hey guys, you don't want to be stuck in the house on a beautiful day like this, but you still want to play your games, right? So what you want to do is get yourself out into the back garden, get yourself a controller, put your TV out here, with your game console, and play some games. Yeah. What do you mean you got no power? Don't worry, I thought about that. Summer's coming up, so I bought myself one of these. Check it out. Okay, so as you can see, we've got the TV on here. We've got the Mega SG down there. And both of them are powered by this little device here. Oh yes, this is the ultimate in portable battery sourcing. Let's check it out. The machine is full of safety features which will stop it from overcharging your equipment and will also stop it from overcharging itself. So it is an extremely safe device. On this side of the machine we've got two standard USB charging docks, and we've also got a Qualcomm quick charging socket as well as a USB charging socket. On the front of the device we've got the 12 volt DC in, so you can charge the battery from a car battery. Also we have the lights and a big fan. The lights can be set to shine at SOS frequencies. As you can see, the device is not very heavy and extremely portable. Definitely an ideal accessory for those camping trips. Taking a look at the buttons on the top, we have this button here which is the power button. This button here switches it to AC or DC. This will lock the machine. So if you're charging USB or low power devices, this will lock it so you can't accidentally bump up the power. And of course we've got the light switch here which switches on the light. Of course, sometimes you have to charge this battery itself, so you get a wall socket with a nice beefy power supply and a car charging kit, so you can charge it from your car's internal 12 volt battery. So if you'd like one of these bricks, I'll put a link in the video description down below. I'm going to be using this one myself during summer. Can't wait. I'm not really going to take the big TV with me, but it's going to be handy to power that portable fridge. Nice cold beers in the tent. Lovely stuff.